Have you ever dreamed of living in a quiet cabin, growing your own food, and being completely free from electricity bills and noisy neighbors? Off-grid living sounds like paradise. But is it right for you? In this video, we'll walk you through the real pros and cons, so you can decide if the off-grid lifestyle is a dream worth chasing, or a challenge you're not ready for yet. Let's start with the good stuff. The reasons so many people are choosing to unplug. Freedom and independence. You control your power, your water, your food, and your lifestyle. No landlord, no electric company, no city rules. Just you and your land. Cost savings over time. Once you're set up, monthly costs drop drastically. No electricity bills, no water bills. If you grow your food, your grocery bills can be minimal. Peace and quiet. No traffic, no sirens, no neighbors blasting music at 2 a.m. Nature becomes your soundtrack. Sustainability. Off-grid living often means renewable energy, composting, and minimal waste. It's one of the greenest lifestyles you can live. Skill mastery. You'll learn to fix things, grow things, and build things. Every day is a hands-on experience in self-reliance. But before you run off into the wilderness, let's be real. Off-grid life is not always easy. Upfront costs. Solar panels, water systems, land and building materials can be expensive. It's an investment, not a shortcut to instant savings. Hard physical work. You may be chopping wood, fixing leaks, hauling water, and gardening, all before breakfast. If you want a lazy life, off-grid living might shock you. Isolation. Off-grid often means rural or remote. That can be peaceful, or it can be lonely, especially if you're doing it solo. Learning curve. You'll need to learn about solar power, water filtration, food preservation, and more. It's a lot, and mistakes can be costly. Legal headaches. Not every piece of land is legally ready for off-grid living. Zoning laws, permits, and building codes can be a nightmare if you're not prepared. So who should go off-grid? People who value freedom over convenience, DIYers and problem solvers. Families who want to raise kids with practical skills. Retirees looking for peace and nature. Anyone tired of modern noise, debt, and dependency. And who might struggle? Those who want constant internet or luxury amenities. People with serious medical needs requiring electricity. Anyone not ready to trade comfort for challenge. Off-grid living isn't just about escaping, it's about building a new life on your terms. But it only works when you go in prepared. That's why I created my book, Beginner-Friendly, Off-Grid Self-Sufficiency Blueprint. It's a complete step-by-step guide for anyone ready to start this journey, from land and shelter to energy, water, food, and daily life. Get your copy now on Amazon. The link is in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you ever go off-grid? Why or why not?